welcome to the second live session for the course Computational Fluid Dynamics for Incompressible Flows. So if you have any questions, please post it in the YouTube link, or you can come online in the MS Team. So you can post the questions, if any, in the chat box of YouTube link. In the discussion forum, whatever questions you had already replied, but still, if you have questions on it, you can discuss today. So if you have any question, please post it here so that we can discuss today in this live session. Good afternoon. Please post your questions here so that we can discuss. So we'll wait for another 2-3 minutes. So if you do not have any questions, then we'll leave. If you have any question, please post in the YouTube chat box, or you can come online in the MS Team. One question is there: why finite volume method prefers for CFD over finite element method? So in fluid mechanics, mostly finite volume methods are used. You can see that all the conservation laws, say mass conservation law, momentum conservation law, and the energy conservation law are actually automatically satisfied in finite volume method. Okay. And you can actually in fluid flow problems, mostly the finite volume methods are used, but you can see that there are different commercial softwares like ANSYS Fluent, then any like open source software like OpenFOAM, they use this finite volume method. But finite element method is also used in a fluid flow problem, where you have actually multi-physics problem with fluid structure interaction. So if in solid also, if you want to solve the deformation and stresses, then obviously the finite element methods are preferred. So you can see that the commercial software COMSOL multiphysics actually uses the finite element method for both solid and fluid domain. Any other questions? Why our India don't have own CFD software? How do we can build it? So, CFD software in India we do not have, but there are many CFD solvers. Our scientists, the professors in different academic institutes have already developed, and those are very means powerful in the sense that they are able to solve both multi-physics problem and means fluid structure interaction. So these are developed in the different labs, R&D labs, or in academic institutes, and they are capable of solving accurately very complicated problems. But software, obviously, we do not have, but uh, means there are many solvers. You can say that those are available. So, and if you see the commercial softwares, mostly which are available like ANSYS Fluent, these are mostly many means Indians have contributed in the development in the initial stage. Okay, so uh, maybe means India in future, maybe down the line in 10 years, there will be some open source software, but commercial softwares also are available. Like there are one faculty, Professor Siware from IIT Bombay. So he developed one CFD solver, and later he opened one company, and I think it is in based on in Pune. So that software is available in India. So for solving different problems, these are used for both compressible and incompressible flows. But obviously, means ANSYS Fluent or your console are most preferred CFD softwares. So another question is that is artificial intelligence really helpful for turbulence modeling? So it depends on the applications, how what are the where you want to use the artificial intelligence. So this is the way you are asking that question. So the turbulence modeling means you have to solve a problem first, right? And for different parameters, different conditions, different liquids, and then you can train the AI. Okay. So then similar problems, if you want to get a quicker result, then you can use this AI or ML solver. Okay. Otherwise, say if you are solving an altogether new problem, then obviously you have to solve using CFD. There is no substitute on that. But if you have already trained some ML code for a particular problems, then you can change the parameters and you can get the results quickly in the using this AI. Okay, so if there are no questions, we'll close the session now. If you have any further questions on the video lectures, so you can post it in the discussion forum. So and we'll again meet in the next live session. Thank you.